The main reason why I'm here is to try and bring the exciting football back to this club. That's the main reason why I'm here. But if you talk of targets, there's no coach who doesn't want to win anything. You know, despite the fact that you are putting pieces together, at the end of the day, it must show what that thing you are trying to put together is all about. If it's a dog, it must have the shape of a dog. You know what I'm saying? So yes, as a coach, I would always want I would strive to win whatever comes my way. But the fundamental reason why we are here is to make sure that we give these youngsters who have been ignored for so many years an opportunity to showcase themselves and to put structures into line that we can, instead of buying players, we can produce our own players from the development side, which is the most important thing. That we put our development structures in good use.